Welcome to another video of Zig programming language. In this video we will talk about testing in Zig programming language. Before doing so, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share in the comments what you think of the video and what should be the subject of our next video. So here we will have a small example of testing in Zig programming language. So testing is really useful when we don't want to use our own applications and we just want to do a very small test, and we don't want to use the main function and we just want to make sure that a small mechanism in the programming language is working as we expect it to work. So here the first thing that we need to do in the test files, we don't have to, we never put a main function. Basically it's very it's easier, I guess. And then we put the test keyword, and then we put the name of the test that we are doing. And there is a block with this curly braces, and in between them we write the code that we want to test. And at the end, if we want to we want to have the result of the test, we run this line of code. We call the function expect, which exists in the testing a library in the standard library of Zig programming language, and in the expect, of course, we want to we will have to pass a true or false statement. So we will have some lines of code, and then we expect to have a result, and then we can do a comparison between what we expect and what is the result, and then this will send a true or false to the expect statement. If it's true, it's okay. If it's not true, it's gonna send an error, so we have to use a try statement to catch this error. And then when try catches this error, test will automatically be failed. And yeah, so let's try to run this code one time. Here I want to see if the expectation of 3 plus 1 equal to 4 is true or false. So of course this is a very simple dummy example, but nevertheless it gives us some idea of how this is going to work. We will call our terminal. And to run the test files, we don't use the run command. Instead we use the test from the Zig compiler test, and then we write the name of the file. Okay, so indeed 3 plus 1 is equal to 1, and so and it says that the test passed, so there is no problem here. Now we can try to have another test where it fails, to see what kind of response we get. So you see that at the end of these lines, it's written that 1 passed, 0 skipped, and 1 failed. So so the second test failed, and it shows us the exact line of this test that failed. And yeah, it's just showing us the error that was sent by expect to be caught by try. So that's it. This video was really short. Of course, there is a lot more in the testing library of Zig programming language, in the standard library. There's a lot more to discuss and discover. I really suggest you to have a look at them because they might be really useful for you. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. See you in the next videos.